Yo, it's like 12:12 right now. Oh, man. I was up all night doing music, and then I had to go outside and shovel the snow. The snow outside is retarded. Like, it really is. I just wanted to speak to y'all, man. Tell y'all that the Lord is good and his mercy endures forever. And he that dwelleth in the secret place of the Most High shall abide under the shadow of the Almighty. I'm under the shadow. Hallelujah. And that's all I have to say. God bless.